shout out. Hi guys, welcome back to Real Cafe Girl channel here in YouTube. We're gonna show you here in KNICKKNACK Cafe is my own cafe. Now I got my assistant customer here. He's really nice. He's very tall, so he's gonna help me film all this stuff. What are we making? We are going to make chia seed pudding. It's gluten-free and dairy-free. Now what we got in here? Let's come and zoom in here, please. Now we got chia seed in here. And I got some hot water. Now the secret of making chia seed pudding here, quick and efficient and delicious, is to use hot boiling water or just hot water. Slowly drip them in and make sure you stir them straight away so it start to bloom. So we only use organic chia seed here. Well, I don't know anything else but not organic actually. So we're gonna keep stirring and it start to thickening up, and make sure you get everything. And make sure you get everything that you need ready to go. I will go through that a little later. Now we got coconut cream, not coconut milk, coconut cream. Give them a good shake and see how the texture starts to thickening up really quick because it's warm water. So we're gonna squeeze in some coconut cream and keep stirring. Yeah, beautiful. And we're gonna have sea salt, a pinch of sea salt, a handful of coconut, and we just gonna look. I don't measure things, so we're gonna just, you know, have a look and see the texture, because food is organic, right? So you can't just measure and put and expect to be delicious. So we have to watch and see and taste them. So okay, see how it's sticking up every time you mix, and have a little lump of chia seed here. Just make sure that you keep mixing them, otherwise it's gonna lump up and it's get not a nice texture. I'm quite happy with the texture now, but it's gonna bloom up a little bit, so we have to taste. Is it sweet enough? Let's try. Perfect. We don't want it too sweet because we're gonna put coconut sugar on top anyway. We wanna keep it really, really, really healthy. Everyone gonna get skinny with us. See how it's getting thick up again? See how you get thick up? If it thick up, either put a little bit of water or coconut cream. If you put too much water, it's not gonna taste so good. Australian blueberry. Only use Australian blueberry, nowhere else. Okay? So what you're gonna do, you can put in the glass jar, but for us we do takeaway. We use bio cup. It's biodegradable. Don't make from oil. So plant-based packaging only here. So you can put on a recycle. Excellent. What are you gonna do? Gonna put a little. So simple, so easy. Exactly. You can do for your kid, your partner. Healthy. So good. And we're gonna put a little bit of blueberry in the middle because you don't want to miss out. By the end, you eat half of this. See, like so. We put the other bits in. The other half in. We don't want to fill it right up because you're going to put something really special. Now, oops, the secret of even more delicious, I blitz up the whole vanilla bean with some water and just put it in here. Or you can use vanilla extract. One swirl on that. See?
Lovely.
Yeah. A pinch of salt because coconut and salt is perfect marriage. Top it up with a little bit of coconut cream, right? So organic coconut sugar. Okay, it's not from Australia, but it's organic. 1 teaspoon on that one. Dry coconut on top just to make it look pretty. And of course, if you want, but we always do very generous with our things. So you put some more blueberry on top and top it up with organic dry blue corn flour. There you go, and there you have it. Chia seed pudding at KNICKKNACK Cafe. So you can try to make this at home. You can manage to do it. Come here and we sell it for you. Delicious. Thank you for watching.